unfortunately, this is what the pool is looking like. Today is April 28th, and I was supposed to start this over the weekend, and I ended up having to take my daughter to the emergency room, so I was not able to do that. So what I'm about to do now is go outside and pour the pool bleach in, and then tomorrow, depending on what it looks like, I will probably add the granular to it, and I will start getting the leaves and all of that gunk out. So I was supposed to get sponsored by a pool cleaner company, but that didn't happen. So I bought 3 of these right here last month. I'm probably going to end up getting more of these. It's like $5 and something from Walmart. And I also have one of these. So I'm going to start off though with just using 2 of these. I also have to go to the pool store and get the tablets, the chlorine tablets for my duck that floats in the pool. But we're going to just start with these tonight. It technically only needed 13 fluid ounces, but because my pool is so bad, I know that I need 2. So I just put 2 of these in here, and in reading the instructions, it says add 13 fluid ounces of this product for each 10,000 gallon of water. Okay, so as you can see, it's the next day, and you can actually see down in the pool. That was the whole purpose, so I can see what I'm doing. I wish I had that robot vacuum cleaner for the pool that I've been trying to go through the negotiation with this company, and I don't know what's going on with that. I can't wait any longer. So I am going to start working on this pool today, but right now I'm headed out to do some Uber. So I'll get to it, but at least I can see in it now. Gracie. Grace. Sit. Thank you. All right, let's go. Come on. Hey y'all, so as you can see, I'm out here, and honestly it's done anything to it. So today I'm going to start by cleaning out a lot of the leaves and things like that. I'm gonna try to get it all done today using the net, and then I will probably, I think my electric vacuum is over there plugged in, so hopefully I'll get around to doing that part today, but I don't know. It's supposed to rain all weekend. Today is actually May 1st, so happy May 1st. It's supposed to rain all weekend. Today is Thursday, and usually when it rains, it'll mess things up. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some of this stuff cleaned out of here now. That way, you know, I don't have that worry. I can just reshock it again if I need to. And actually, I haven't really shocked it yet. I just used the liquid.
Summer is always surprising me, just a bit. It's mid-July, then it's gone.
So what I like to do first is to skim off the top of the leaves, get those out, because once I start skimming at the bottom with this net, it's so much stuff down there, it's probably gonna make the water dark green again. It'll eventually lighten back up, but it'll make it dark green again. That's the reason why I use 2 of these jugs here when it only called for 1. That way I don't have to go back and use another one. I can just do the process. If it gets too dark, then I'll just pause and wait, let everything settle, and then start back up later. So thankfully it's a little bit overcast today, not as sunny. I mean, not as sunny and hot as of right now. It's 10:05 in the morning. I was supposed to start this at 8, but y'all, I just didn't feel good. So now I'm about to take and this right here, it goes really far. Like, you can adjust this, the length of this, by using this part right here. So I also have one that I can connect directly to the pool and the vacuum up that way. And so I do it multiple ways. I use the net first, then I use the electric vac I got off of Amazon. And then once I get the bulk of the leaves and all that stuff out, because it'll stop up the actual pump. So I have to do that stuff first. And then I can use the pump one as the finishing part of it. And then I will shock the pool. So it's gonna be multiple days of this, and especially because it's gonna rain this weekend. I wanna try to get this done as much today and tomorrow. That way on Monday, after it rains Saturday and Sunday, well, it's supposed to rain tomorrow too, I think. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Either way, I'll start back next week on Monday.
I haven't moved on. Summer is always confusing me. Honestly, I thought I'd feel warm, but I'm cold. It's getting old. I've said so many times, when summer comes around, I'll be ready for the ride. I'll be ready this time. I'll be ready for it all. But then suddenly it's fall.
Okay, y'all, so I just got through using this vacuum right here. Sorry, I forgot to record it. So I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to place this onto this one, because this one connects directly to the pool. So this pole will go here. I'm trying to do this with one hand, and then you just clench it in and it'll go into the holes. So now that part is done. And I had to figure all this stuff out myself, y'all, because this pool was here when we got this place. So this goes here, and I can't find anybody to do above ground pool cleaning. I should start my own company. I think there's only one person in this area. And didn't realize I had the phone turned the wrong way. So I have this on here, but like I was saying, I had found somebody when we first moved here, and she tried, her and her mom, and she struggled with it, and she never came back. But she goes to my neighbor's house over there who has an in-ground pool. What I'm going to do is, I should have waited, but since it's on there, I'm gonna sit this here. So before I start with that, I had to unwind that thing. It took me a minute. What I'm going to do is get this hose, which I need to repair it because it does have a little couple of pinholes in it. But I need to get this rolled out. That's hanging right here. That piece is going to connect to this piece over here. Okay? So this is my part. I took the top off. I have never let it get like this. This is insane. I've never let it get like this before. That's crazy. But at least I know it's working. getting those things up in there. No wonder it wouldn't allow me to connect the hose to the pool because it was full, Tommy. Okay. So I've been at it for a few hours now. I'm switching back over to the little vac here. It's called the Pool Blaster. Turn it on and put it in. It's about to storm, and I have to go get my daughter, so I'm just gonna give it a 1-2 around.
Might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
In the next video. Love you, but God truly loves you more. Hit the like button, share the video out. It does help support the channel, helps me over here. You want people to do it for you when you start yours, so go ahead and hit that like button because there's a lot of work that goes into doing YouTube, Uber Eats, DoorDash, all those things. Bye.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go?